Hello everyone, myself Diptaho Das and my roll number is 20MT30009. Today for the fourth assignment of DIY project, I made this slingshot which you can see present here, and for that part first I have made this sketch of this various dimensions. Basically three pair of straight lines I have created and joined them using this straight line and this curve, create an arc feature. After that I padded this whole sketch to a height of 10 millimeter, and finally I filleted this whole structure. As you can see, this whole structure I have filleted to make this edges smooth. And finally I have done the mesh design part, for which I have created on mesh design and then created the mesh from the shape, and the meshes of the 10 fillets are as follows. And this is the final part of the mesh that has came around, and saved it finally to the STL file. After creating the .stl file, we have imported the file from the files option, open files, to this Ultimaker Cura software, where we can convert that .stl file into G-code for its final processing, so that we can print it in 3D printing after making the G-code. And after importing this .stl file in Ultimaker Cura, we are setting the print settings as follows. First, we are using the plastic layer mold, the height that to be made as 0.2 mm the thickness, and after that we are using a 20% of infill density with a triangular infill pattern. And for the print temperature of the extruder, we are using it as 200 degrees centigrade, and the build plate temperature where this molding is to be made, it is at 80 degrees centigrade. And we are using print speed as 60 mm per second. And finally the build plate adhesion type is of brim, and we are using the extruder 1 to complete this structure. And after all these settings of print, when we slice this print, we are seeing that it would take an estimate of 3 hours and 2 minutes to complete this structure, and with 38 grams of plastic needed and 4.76 meter of plastic mold that is to be needed. And finally we can preview how this print will be made. First the brim adhesion is made, and then the base of the slingshot with 2 holes. And for the vertical part, first it's making the 20% triangular infill, and finally is covering the top with a plain surface to complete this slingshot. Thank you.